In Unreal Engine 5.6, I had these render problems. Issue 1, the delayed object appearance. Everything plays fine in Sequencer, but when I render, a few objects are missing initially in the background before popping into place. It basically started to render before it was actually ready. For me, it's roughly around 90 frames before the render is correct. Here's the fix. Click on this button to add your sequence to Movie Render Queue Sequencer. Here, my personal preference is to remove JPEG sequence and use Apple ProRes. Add game overrides, so we're rendering at max specs. Now this is the crucial part. Add anti-aliasing, increase engine warm-up count to the number of frames of when things are finally loaded properly in your video. For me, it was around 90 frames. Update your file export location and name, hit accept and render. This fixed the main problem. Issue 2, flickering. Here's the fix. Let's go back to the movie render queue and back under anti-aliasing, check override anti-aliasing. An alert pops up guiding us to increase the values for spatial sample count and temporal sample count. You may need to play with these settings by increasing the values for your particular project. I'll then update the name by incrementing the export number just for best practice and export again. If you compare the 3 renders, you can see now we've fixed both of these export issues. If you found this useful, then like and subscribe would be amazing. Keep creating and happy rendering.